Good morning from this part of the world. Wherever you are, hope you're having a good one. Oh look, there I am. Woohoo! Well, partially here anyway. You think I'm here, but no. I've lost a lot of weight. Oh no, it come back. Never mind. You know, only lost an arm. It was only weighing me down. Oh. Right. Here's an interesting bug I found. Really weird. And I'm sure that's probably to do with having escaped to go back. So when we're in here and we press escape to pause and then press again, it's like, no. And then it doesn't do it again. So restart. Pause it. I shall look at our menu manager. What's going on with this now? And then I cannot remember how on earth we handle closing the menu. It'll be like, oh, I forgot close option screen if open. That sounds like menu navigation cursor. Yeah, okay, found it. Whoop. So what happens if we then go into options and then so is it even doing that? We need to look at any instances. Not that one, that's for certain. It's quick actions. Surely it's not that. We don't have a great deal of candidates. Where's my search gone? Honestly. It probably is this. But then why would it resume the game? Oh. It's like resume mission is a particular place where it would. Resume click. Resume. What is unpause called? Well, yeah. Here, there, and there. Okay, it is in here. Okay. So it's always running? No. But it's a singleton, so it does need to be initialized, but then also... Yeah, there, okay. In it. What are you called? Surely went, yeah, okay, thereabouts. Then... where's it gone? Oh, jeez. Oh. Go back. Storage. Closing. True. So when the wake is cold, disable that. And that should help us avoid any issues. Excuse me. So basically that was a new menu that I've added in. And didn't consider that particular issue. You know, got this. It's like, well, no, it's not active, my friend. So on enable. Before it has a chance to even try and run an update. Though quite why it was calling that in the first place. Oh yeah, because the menu's open. There you go. Yep. That's my pop-up menu. A simple issue gone. Alright, close all this and Uh, yep. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, that's just cleaning up the code. Like that. I don't think I really did anything in here, no. Damageable. No, I never changed anything in here. What about missile? Hmm. Well. What was I supposed to be doing anyway? Last nearest. Oh, it's trying to check against its last one it hit. That's why it didn't work anyway, because originally all this was broken. Oh, you just love it. I need to get to a point where I'm not adding new features. And I think we're almost there. He says, other than potentially additional changes to the AI, which may or may not happen depending on how I do this. Yeah. Ooh. What is that? Yeah, okay, leave that for now. Nothing changed in that. Nothing changed in that. I did that. Who knows? I might think, oh, we need that again. Yes. That makes sense. Oh. Right, these things. Oh, yes. Let's find all references for you. Ooh. Yeah. Maybe rather than doing that and passing it in, we should expand on the parameters of this and then have a declared instance of this which we just set, and then, yeah. Another time. We'll never get our game finished if we start messing around with that. We'll wait till we start looking at performance and seeing what sort of gains we can potentially get in like 6 months from now. Because we're nowhere near to be doing anything like that right now, you know. Let's see. Let's see, what can we now? Right. So we started working on, or we implemented turret sizes. Not turret. Gun sizes. So first of all, we need to say what size are these, because in effect, actually, we even define mount sizes. Why is this allowing? That's even more confusing. Because surely that slot has a... Well... Oops. Can't even spell the name of my first ship. See, we got mountain size, small, small. Have we even implemented? In the loadout panel. We should be adding that size. When we create gun rows. But it does not appear to be doing that. How bizarre. Lovely. You're not going to attach the breakpoint now, are you? I didn't think you would. Actually, that's loadout panel. Okay. That's only used in one place. That's the level editor. So I haven't finished implementing that. Ah, yeah. See, that works there. That works there. Lovely. Why is that closed? So, initializing slots, we go through, we're adding I'll just create passive module slots doing, that's where it's doing its sizes. What? Because we're just using crate equipment slots. Okay. Good old wrist pain. Wow. Charged my Fitbit yesterday. It's now already 82%. So the battery is pretty knackered on that thing. I mean, it died the day before without even giving me a notification of low battery. Oh, it can't give me a notification of low battery because I turned off the Bluetooth. No, Bluetooth is on. So I wonder if it's continually trying to connect. Let's see. So if we turn off the Bluetooth on this, if it's even possible. Yeah, whatever. It's not what I wanted. How about I clear user data? Maybe it's just filled up with shit. Because I've not found it useful at all. Oh, there we go. Turned itself back on. No, smiling away. No, thank you. I said no. Can I just use it as a fucking watch? Nope. Trash. I do not realise how much I've relied on padding on this table. From wearing my hoodie. In it. We got, so we're doing where is it? Jeez. No, not inventory. Initialize the slots. Oh yeah, here it is. Gun control, weapon part, data. Is it an array? Surely it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. We create our equipment slots using this, that, that. What's this? Setting compatibility. Oh, we could just copy that. Okay. Ooh. No, not gun ports. Was it not? Oh dear. We need gun ports, not the actual. you know? So this was just creating a number of slots without caring about anything else. Yeah. How many places you used? You used 5 places. Uh-huh. So it's a bit of a backward. No, not even that. Okay. Yeah. Not even going to do that then. Oh. What's this? Blip, blip. Excuse me. Length of that now. Okay, yeah. So do this, and now what am I doing with this? Because I'm using this field. If I want to rename anything, then I have to do that. What? No, wrong place. Within the brackets, thank you. Because that's how it's serialized. There's a backing field. And then I can do that. And then when it recompiles, shouldn't have lost anything. Oh. Well, these handbrakes are coming thick and fast. Oh, because it's been an hour. Wow. Please. There we go. So it kept the size. Otherwise, it would have just wiped the data out because it's not serialized. Because there'll be no data. Oh. Alright, just give us a moment. Oh, thanks for waiting. Oh, dear me. Did that compile? Yes, it did compile, and now we've got sizes there. Then we could put this back in, and then let's see, group. There's a list of list. All right, yeah, it's just like what sizes can we have? Oh, if we could simplify that. Oh. What was that doing? I cannot remember, but they had a reason. See, look, had a reason. Da da da. Ooh. Oh, excuse me. One sec. It's just not turning out to be my day today. Anyway. Oh boy. Ah, no good. No good at all. Now we have our method. What does the one thing? That we can then go and remove. Excuse me. Just like that. I hate this table. Just saying. It's not comfortable unless you've got thick clothing on. Really? Why? Have I really done that? I have. Well, it's turret, but look. Come for it. Oh right, yeah. Turret. Hmm. Come on, Daniel. There we go. Exactly what we wanted. Hmm. Woo. Keep it consistent, lad. We could do it, well, that's using single sizes. You know. Yeah, no. Yeah. Ads. Don't you just love it? What could possibly go wrong? What could go wrong? Well, that could go wrong because... Oh no, it's there. Yeah. Equals... similar naming convention like this. Oh, yeah, index. Index. Why am I even doing it like the way I'm doing it? Wow. Whee! Oh. Oh, already there. Okay, good. Shots. Yeah. Yeah. Helps if I can spell. Is it not the same? Yeesh, yeah. So what's this bit? Go through the port group for the current group loadout. And then make sure it is of that. Okay. And then when we're in here and we are going through our gun ports, I think we're overthinking that, aren't we? I hope we are. This should be our... Yeah, what a prefab, right. So it won't have any turrets attached, therefore it won't have anything else to be trying to add to the list of guns. Because there is nothing else to add. Really nice to have a console window that acts like a console window. It doesn't get in the fucking way all the time. And go back to menu. So we should have size labels and shouldn't be able to equip that what we're not supposed to. So we go in there. Oh, look. So I did 4 on there. Why? Oh, of course. Comport numbers. So now we're actually going through the length of this. And it's not as easy as you think I'd have. I need to think about this. We've got gunport, and with each gunport has a group number. Yeah. So if assign groups contains this group number, then we've already done it. Otherwise, then it's just add. Mm-hmm. Better. Yeah. Oh, we didn't have the title. That's why there's no title. Oh. What am I doing in here? Mad. Oosh. Hilarious. Marvelous. Why is it? Oh. That'd be why. Yeah. Because we're creating at that point. Bollocks. So we have to do this. From each war gun. port in gun ports. No. No, no, no. It's actually that. Always has been. And then it's that. So that already had our length that we needed, so we create the length of that, and then as we are now going through all the gun ports, just so we can get the group numbers, then that's where we need to skip a beat. Let's just see what abomination we have created now. Oh yeah, -1. Because the full weapon data includes the full guns. Please work. Right, well. I've got the correct number, but why is that not putting the label in? And why is it not limiting? Because that's like so set compatibility 10 group select to array compatibilities. Let's see what's happening, because I've no idea. So the first thing we've done is that first item, compatibility. Oh, what have I got in group? What does this do anyway? It just changes it. What? 0. So it does set compatibility on 0. Oops. Damn. Okay. Yeah. So there's only 2, but then we need to work all the way through every gun port that we've got. Yeah. Some days I wonder, why am I a programmer? It's like most basic shit. Index outside bounds of the array. Why? Oh yeah. Oh, dumb things. So let's do it this way. For each of our gun ports, in our gun ports, our index equals 0. Or is it just I? Let's call it I. And then I plus plus. And that should be the last issue that we know of. So there shouldn't be, it still is. All right. Okay, at least no issues. Listen, you know it's small, so why? Because it's not testing for anything on that, is it? Probably not. But it should, shouldn't it? Compatibilities. Inventory item. Compatibilities. Compatible slots. Can't remember how that works. So, inventory item. So when we create an inventory item, then I guess we'll need to set the compatibilities in there. So let's remind ourselves, if we did do that, how do we do that? Convertibilities. A cat just appears. He's like just looking in a random place in the room and just totally ignoring me. Unless it's got cross-eyed. Right, so mount size gets passed in. On init. Is that. Now, do we use it somewhere else? Oh, well, we need to clone it. Otherwise, that won't do anything. Yeah, same shit. Let's see then. Sign there. Only 3 times in there. And in inventory item. Uncompatible slot to check if it is. So do it on there, and now we're doing it in here. Okay, so his first item for that considered size, yeah. Oh, brilliant. Don't you just love it when Unity decides to throw an error and then you have to close Unity in order to continue? I know I do. It's fantastic. I love doing it all the time. Oh, into safe mode. Then not give me the same error again. Oh, actually, it just needs to recompile. Alright. Alright, yeah, of course. Completely forgot about that thing. What's gun asset? It's a gun product. We need to know its size. Let's go for mount size. There we go. Library script assemblies. Maybe I need to get rid of that then, if that's still a thing. Let me interact with you. fantastic. Wow, amazing code. So where was it? Oh, it's cleared itself. Was it editor? Just find rider. Nothing in there. Okay. Library package cache. Really? I thought I'd delete that little library. Where is it? ID rider. Should we just come out of here just in case? Deleting this while it's open is not good. No more rider there. A-Spec, what? Bunch of rider DLLs, PDB, whatever that is, gone. Where'd it be gone? I can't see the full path. Wow, Microsoft. You suck. Oh, look at these bunch of riders. Is that all of them? Just want to make sure if there's any folders that might belong to rider, we got rid of them as well. Fingers crossed we're not screwed up the build. Seems fine. No console error. Will it now work? Or will it not? Who knows? Well, still put it in large, but oh look, yeah, cool. That's better. So it wasn't checking when it's adding the items in. Ow, that wrecked my back trying to hold that sneezing. Ah, USOB. Okay. So when we are loading, where is it? Init inventory. Oh. It's like populate, was it? Oh yeah, populate slots. So include and attach. What's this one? Why are we always returning true? Alright, okay, returns false if. Is there any return false? It's added. Alright, add inventory item. That's this thing. Yeah, so we're not checking anything there, are we? Yeah. Let's not bother then, shall we not? We know it's an issue. Do I want to do that check or not? I mean, it's very simple. Excuse me. It's there, isn't it? If item not compatible slots, well, compatibilities. Then we're not equipping it. So we're just removing it for now. And then it just gives up, doesn't it? That's what we did it on there. Oh. So then I guess we just return true. Yeah. That cost pop-up thing that I've added is a bit unhelpful. Because maybe other items will be affordable. Just that one item it tried to fit. There we go. So now that is working correctly. Hey birds. How are you doing? Having a good day? Huh. I think we still need to put the size on. Yeah, here. Neat. In fact, give us a moment. Try and make your save menu work. Oh, don't you just love UI? I'm sure you'll get there eventually. I've got the most basic of saves going on, which is like only saving progress after a mission and some other stats for tracking. If you try to save checkpoint after the mission is completed and you're back to the menu. But no, not like checkpoints like traditionals where you're still in the game world. That would be an absolute nightmare, tracking every single item and its stats. And then I don't even know where I would even think about AI, what relevant information I would want to save there, if at all. Because I might just like reload and then like, well, I'll let the AI decide what it wants to do in that situation. You're literally just taking a snapshot, aren't you, of the gameplay. If you're doing it as a checkpoint system, like when Halo or whatever other games you play, and you get the little saving progress icon pop up, you're just saving the state of the game at that moment. Which is a bit interesting how it does it now. I mean, what does it do? Does it create a copy of all your states, because it's then got to write it to the disk drive, which could be slow to slow your game. So you're literally doubling your memory by storing all the, well, not even doubling it, but you're making a copy of all data before you save it to a disk, which you then save it on a thread, so it's not interrupting the main thread. Hey, Dead by Daylight, yeah, Outbound OST for the win. Gotta love those 7s. 1 second. Things are progressing. However, you might have ads. I have no idea. So now we've got the ads on there because we now got people appearing. Look at that, what people speaking, yay. So I don't know if you have ads or not, but yeah, I've got little ad things there going on. I'm speaking to myself, who knows. I mean, there's people on YouTube who don't have ads. Lucky people. You know. It is helpful having this ad screen on there. Glad I set it up. It was a blatant copy from 4. But it makes sense for people who've got ads. And we're having progress and chitter chattering. I'm talking to myself now. Anyway, we're going to have to put the sizing in. Come on, ads, finish. About 10 seconds left. I can at least get to where I need to. Oh no, I don't. Aha. So we're back. Answer your question, yeah, I'm alright. I'm making very slow progress, but progress none the same from the game. Space combat game, sci-fi, as you can find on the description if you're on Twitch. So I've been recently working on point defense systems, so I can assign certain guns to try and shoot down missiles. That's now sort of working, even though it cheats. And now I'm just going back and revisiting having mounting sizes for my guns, which I didn't finish apparently. Left in a broken state, so I'm just working on that now. You plan to pause. It's hard when you're starting off, you know, like you're sitting in here with zeros people on your stream. It's like, well, no one's speaking, so I'll just not use the ad screen. So that's like first time I've used it purposely when I weren't walking away during an ad break. So oh. Yeah, in a minute. Just need to set the title sizes for these things here. So you can see we've got size. We'll just select. You can see the sizes, different sizes for them, and we click on it, it filters the size. Well, it's filtered it. I still need to tell it what size it is. Gibberish, yeah, well, I guess speaking something's better than not speaking. I'll look back on my streams and just seek through there, and every time I go to a point, I'm not even speaking, which is boring. So, yeah, long way away from how far I can just basically non-stop entertain. Not something that I'll ever be able to do. But hey. What do I want? So, inventory item. Title. It's not correct yet. Oh, I know he has. Years and years, and that's my problem. I can't be consistent. That's where the main thing is, isn't it? You've got to be consistent in your streaming. And due to various issues, I cannot be consistent in my streaming. So that doesn't help for discoverability. Well, that's the first thing we just need to get down. Stream same time, same days, and go through there. But it's cool because occasionally you get the same people showing back up. There was a lad who I've not seen for years, because I haven't streamed for a good year and a half. He popped up the other day. Now, when are we? Let's create inventory item. Surely. Instantiate. Product name. Sample item name. What? Yeah, I have a full-time job that I'm not currently working due to health issues and also waiting for work to get back to me on a furnace at work, they call it, or grievance, which I should find out at the end of the month. But then I also do night shifts as well. Well, I say night shifts, but I do morning, afternoon and nights on a rotating timetable. So I couldn't even consistently stream at the same time on one day, let alone through the week. Yeah, you get a few people who also return back, don't they? But again, you've got to be consistent. But when I was first streaming, I was streaming before Twitch removed the software and game development category, which killed discoverability, because then all you had to do is go to that science and technology, because then I was actually getting raided quite regularly after streaming regularly back then when I was unemployed. I know, it's just getting back into it, you know. But yeah, not easy doing freaking rotating shift patterns. But other than that, it's a good job. And just see where my future holds at the end of the month. Ah, here we go, flipping heck all this, and I've just found it here now. And it was when we're doing the init. So nothing to do with all of that, it's just here. Display name. So how is this doing that? People change schedule weekly, update in Discord and social. Possibly. Then I would have to commit to an actual schedule, you know? There's sometimes where I just can't do it. So, yeah, I'll have to see. I'll have to try if when I get back to work and that's the thing, then try doing, you know, an actual schedule and when I will do it. Even if it's just like 2 days a week on my days off. Because it's also time intensive. Because a work equivalent of 10-hour shifts. And then let's factor in 2 hours of travelling to and from work. So that's literally half the day long. And then you've got 8 hours sleep, because I'm not like, you know, other people who can sleep less hours. I need 8 hours sleep. And then that gives me 4 hours. So maybe a 2-hour stream, which is like pretty much the minimum you should be streaming. 4 hours at best. Yeah, it's all logistical stuff. Well, all stuff worth trying out, isn't it? To see what works for the individual. It's more of how it goes. What works for one person isn't going to work for another. Ooh. Okay, we'll try it that way, and then do we actually know how many poets we'd have on this? No, we wouldn't. We would not know at all. Gun assets. FIFA. Base info. Mount size. Yeah. Maybe. I think that's the only place they need to do it. Apart from the specification panel, I might want to make sure that I've got the size listed. In fact, I think I do now. Ever work on something and then forget that you haven't finished it? There you go, that's working. Yeah, so you can't even put that on there, but we can do that. And that is all we wanted to do, yay! And we can see that mountain size is listed in the panel now. Great stuff. Now the other thing is, where are we getting the name from when we're in here? Oh, now it seems to be right. Leaving comments everywhere for to do, you forget. Yeah, and then you forget that you've got to do's. I try to use a Trello board. Stuff that I put into do these days is more like, yeah, this will be nice to do at some point in the future, but I'm not going to be doing that for a long time. You know what I mean? Don't want to touch it before then. So now I use Trello boards, and then sort of more urgent stuff get put in here and down here, which is a bit out of the way, to be honest. Maybe I should just move this card here, because I'm always familiar with performance ongoing, but I don't refer to it. Yeah, that's why I use Trello. I used to do it in a spreadsheet, and then I found Trello and started doing it in there instead. And then just filling cards in as well, like. That should be there. Like, my ideas, where is it? Yeah, 88 cards for ideas. Just dump shit in there and just have it written down just in case there's a good idea in there. And I've just tried to split it up a bit more. Like what I'm working on now. So that's that done. I suppose I've been working on chapter 3 for the last month, but I never get there. And then stuff to work after I've done, you know, the most pressing things. These are the next pressing things, and then this is more of like what needs to be done if I'm going to finish the game, but then still dragging and dropping stuff around in and out as I try to reduce scope. Really, I am trying to avoid adding more features unless it really makes a difference. Like, for example, I wanted to have point defense weapons. Nah, it's fine. This is why I'm streaming, to talk to people and show off my game as well. That's the main thing, so I wouldn't stream if I didn't want to be distracted. So what I've recently done, yeah, let's put these auto guns in. Let's just put a couple there in. Maybe put it on that one because that should be on top. Yep. So I've got some weapon types that we could say will be used for anti-missile defense. So these auto guns, I've just pushed a key, and if you can see the bottom left, you'll see it say strict. That means my guns, auto guns, are now only going to try and shoot down these missiles. That fired a salvo of 5, so it hit a few. The problem with that is those missiles are small, and these projectiles are even smaller. So you're like trying to thread a needle on a moving target from like 1,000 meters away, plus 8,000 meters away. And I had to do a bit of cheating. So if the missile can't hit the target, then I've got another check, which is like, if our projectile is like within like 10 meters of this. What the hell? Oh no, it is. It's like, where are they? I was like, why can't I see projectiles? It must be... I honestly can't see them. Yeah, so they do like less damage if they just pass by. So, oh yeah, here's a good example. It says, so that's the missile. And then there's these yellow lines, which is the projectile. So this is what it's doing. So to try and avoid performance issues with like using raycasts, I project on this line. It's like, where's the closest point to a missile? So it's at the rear. Okay, what's the distance to the missile? So this one's way out of range, but as it passed it, let's say it was in 10 meters of it, then we'll do some scaled down damage to that. So multiple shots will... Oh, that's a big chunk. Ow. Multiple shots are going to whittle down the health of a missile. And then hopefully, you know, it'll take it off. But then, obviously that's a very weak version. If I literally just go like, Autogun X3, yes. So this has got 3 barrels on it. I think it has a faster fire rate as well, can't remember. I've got a bunch of stats from a spreadsheet to keep track of everything that needs to be done statistically. Anyway, just need to wait for him to shoot. Come on, fire your missiles off, pal. So this is a much more effective. And then I can also tell it to be relaxed so it can actually target other enemy craft, and then because it's in relaxed mode it will still try and shoot missiles if they get launched. Or I can just turn the PDC off, and that way it will only shoot the target and it will only cause damage to missiles if it ever hits a missile, because it's a special mode that I put in there. I also didn't check to see whether it would damage your own missiles, because potentially it could do that. Come on, fire missiles off so we can prove that. Oh, not too far away now. Shot missiles are incoming. Can't even see them because of the sky. And there they all hit because it's just started shooting at that. Oh, this is running in the Unity editor. This is terrible for performance. It's all over the place. It took me ages to try and ensure the gameplay was smooth. Lots of faffing around. And it all seemed to change when it... So my first game was Space Combat Fighter, Absolute Territory. And they had issues with when you're rotating, things would jitter. And managed to get that down based on, like, because I'm using a package called Cinemachine, which does tracking and fancy stuff. I had to make sure it was updating the camera at specific points at the correct time. In fixed update, late update, whatever it is. And then I got it working smooth in there, and then I ported my project into a newer version of Unity, and that broke the camera system again, and everything looked jittery. And then I found out that Unity will calculate the center of mass of your project, of your ships, and if it's not set correctly, it will cause the camera to jitter when your ship rotates, because your ship's also moving. It's translating as it rotates, which is not good for the Cinemachine camera. I didn't like that one bit. Plus, I had to handle the whole issue of floating point precision. So I had to make sure my player ship, in effect the camera, is close to the center of the world, vector 3.0, to avoid jitter happening. And I thought I fixed that in Absolute Territory, and then I found out if you fly 100,000 meters away, you could see everything break. So I had to redo that, and now it works. Apart from if you fly 100,000 meters away from, say, a battle, all the ships over there will be jittering like shit and be unlikely to hit each other. So then if I wanted to create a larger game world, I would then have to simulate what's going on at those distances, rather than actually allow it to continue in the game world. And if I do my next project, that is what the next big thing will be, to try and simulate a larger open world where stuff is happening in a sandbox, no matter where the player is. And that'll be a big thing. Especially to ensure it's going to be appear consistent you know, because obviously then I'm simulating, I'll be emulating things separate to running it in the actual game world, as using the physics and stuff system in there would use something a lot more simplified. And that could cause a lot of issues doing that way in terms of breaking gameplay. But then if I do it right, then it'll just be a case of switching between two processes, a simulated process, which is much more simple, and then switching back to like running as a unit, the Unity game engine process, if that makes sense, the physics. And just have methods that get called specifically. And then if those methods do the exact same thing, then it's only the data that we're passing into it is that's breaking it. Which is again going to cause all sorts of problems, because it's all about the calculations that I've done. And I'm not good at math. Not good at math at all. And it's like, maybe I just need to scale down the world and emulate it that way. I have no idea. It's got to have its issues either way. I don't know. It's far off. Way far off. I don't want to think about it. The absolute fucking nightmare. Right, what these are is... Oh yeah, of course. How does that even work? Does it even work? That was a bug fix from this morning, and I obviously didn't check the console to make sure there weren't any errors. And of course there are errors. And so, I guess. Moving in there? Oh, ads. Ads! Look at those ads. You're not going to miss anything other than a null reference error that's still appearing. So why is it doing that? Where does it exist? In the hood. Of course it does. So putting it in there is no good at all. There we go. That's it finished. I'll have to figure out how to set that up to be a automatic process. There's a singleton as well, you bugger. Called on init player. Hello there, Morphat. How are you doing? Where to put it? I've got these. Can I put it in here then? I'm just literally trying to fudge it in anywhere now. It's not good. Not good at all. Nope. Why? Oh, we're in that custom mission, surely, yeah. Switch screen vector menu, I know where that is now. I was just trying to load a level that didn't exist. Okay. Restart, and then... Yep. That's fine then. That's working. Yeah. Well, the power of magic, I just shoved it somewhere else. I can just disable it when that gets initialized. And hopefully won't cause any issues. So now that we've got that done, here's an interesting one. The afterburner audio only goes through the right channel. And I only noticed that because I had the headsets on. Hang on a minute. That's the left channel. Unless I've got my... Yeah, that's left channel. Okay, now it's working. What the fudge? Oh, will it stop working every turn? It's now working. Why? Maybe it's a different ship. No, that works. How the hell did I replicate this? Yeah, okay. Oh, there we go. Ah. Yeah. So now. Seems to happen the further away we're moving. Why would it do that? So we have our afterburn here. Have a custom reel off. We have a single audio listener, which is just here. You know what it'll be? The faster we move, the further away we get. So maybe we drop that on there. No. Or is it because it's offset still? Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's a simple fix then, isn't it? I read somewhere that the audio listener shouldn't have been attached to a camera, but that's a load of bullshit. As it was saying, it should use the active camera for the audio position, but no. I'll have it in there instead. And then we'll just have to burn away because it was all about acceleration. And it should constantly remain in there. So flight assist off so that we can continue to accelerate while the afterburner recharges. Still just as loud. I just love it when the afterburner's infinite. Yeah, and now this is the problem where we're that far away. This thing will be jittering all over the place in the distance. Not that we could tell because it's so far away. But maybe it will get to a point where it will, due to lack of precision. How far can we go before we break the game? uh, 23,000 meters a second. Game appears to be running, but I'm sure everything is completely messed up. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that external camera. It doesn't like that, does it? It's like, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Well, at least we know that doesn't break anything too badly on the surface. Oh, mad stuff. Absolute mad. Right, that's that fixed. Oh, I don't want to work on chapter 3 on the stream. Here's the thing. Most people come into my game and probably go straight to tutorials. Because that's what most people would do. Look at the tutorial, surely. Because it says training. So they might go in there as like, oh, okay. And then they'll get a little bit through there but get bored. So maybe they never even get to ooh. I just broke all my saves. Okay, maybe keep that one. 13.2. .3. Just delete it. Maybe I need to stick a warning and say, look, you're trying to play on a newer version with an older version. What the fuck are you doing? So it's like, I've got training, which is tutorials, but then we've got the prologue, which also acts like tutorials. So when you go into it, then it's like, oh no. It's like, this is your tutorial. And just walks you through basic stuff on how to handle that. So yeah. Nothing more to go on there. So is that yeah. What is this one? I don't know. Copy of copy. Let's put it back there. Let's see what happens. Because this, in effect, is going to do a version update. It could leave all my games in a broken state. Well, it seems to work. else is coming for me. Ow. Yeah, seemed a bit odd that the missiles weren't coming at me. Maybe due to speed issues, who knows? Yeah. Well, it has been 3.5 hours and I need a break. So I shall leave it there. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in what I'm working on, it's a space combat game. There's a demo there. It is on Steam. It's also in Early Access. So check it out. And if you're watching on YouTube, there's a link for you too. The question is there anyone... You know what? I'll just go to basic. Keep the music the same. This is like a ferret rescue. We've got over 20 ferrets, might have 30 now, who knows? Quite a lot. Doing good things. They've recently just moved. So check it out and watch the Wigglers. We have playtime several times a day, and the next one's probably due quite soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.